Yo, yo, QC2C in the building. Currently sick again with probably, I don't know, coronavirus, something like that. So yeah. Hold on, let me check. Just want to check this because I haven't actually looked at this. I want to see what my voice sounded like with the noise suppression on because I hope that didn't ruin the video. I also have a new microphone because I lost my original one, so I just threw on a worse one. So this might be bad. Hold on. Okay, give me a second. Goodness gracious. Let's talk about Organ today. So today we're going to listen to The Underground Sound by Joey Valence and Brae. We know who Joey Valence and Brae are. Big man tings around this place. Sorry. Uh, easy. Then yeah, it sounds fun. So yeah. We're gonna listen to The Underground Sound. An EP by Joey Valence and Brae. Joey Valence and Brae, rap duo from America. I actually don't know. Still don't know. I'm never gonna know. I think maybe like South Dakota. I don't know. So yeah. This is their like first EP thing. This is like basically their first album. So because I'm sick and I also want to get a video out. I just thought, hey, let me throw this on because this won't be too bad. So yeah. Let's get into this. Starting with the first song, Underground Sound.
All right, y'all, we better rewind. We better take it way, way back. It's that no grape gang and all them.
Turn this down a little bit.
Here we take a trip into the
Hey.
I bring back that sound, the kind that makes you go wow. Bass hit you with the boom pow. I'm party rocking with that old school style, bumping that underground ever since I was a child. Fresh like a farmer's market, I only wear shorts with no pockets. Y'all when the beats be mocking, well you better shut your mouth for it, zip it and lock it. I'm an originator, smooth flow creator, to the odd ones out as you are kicked up. I'm a clown, it's not just for show, with the beastie flow when I rock the microphone. I'ma hit you with that boom bap, make the room slap. Let me take you way, way back. Kids all calling me whack, but I'm bringing back a sound that you can't, so take that.
No, I'm not too hot on that verse. I think it was just fine. I guess that wasn't the best. I do think that this sample was a bit hit or miss as well.
It's classic black coat, but I'm new like Mountain Dew. What's new? Stay dripping like Fiji. Overalls, one shoulder, BDG.
Oh, hold on. I don't have my
Used to get clowned in school for my
logo.
last name.
That's right.
Had dummies calling me Luigi. Don't test me, you don't want smoke.
Oh,
I'll lock
oh,
you up and
goodness.
send the door like a knock-knock joke. Knick-knack, patty whack, give a boy a stack. I hit the foot locker, blow a few whacks. Tracksuit, Adidas, all black. Can someone please get me a snack? Baller didn't do the chain, but I don't feel lame, cause all these ladies know my name. Hey, Gray, hey, baby, let's kick it later, maybe.
Now bring it around back with that beat that is bumping. Young MCs on the mic, keep them jumping. Healthy breakfast before I get my luncheon. A glass of OJ and a Captain Crunch Crunch and I'm hot.
Right.
Check your temperature, you're not. Step off, you're gonna get got. I run a marathon in high socks and flip-flops. Now stop, make them drop. Bass is grooving, bodies are moving. Y'all wanna tune in to see what we doing. So call up the 90s and give them a ring. Told them they might just have the next big thing.
Actually, the so that sounds funky. I'll leave the logo. That wasn't the best JVB song I've heard, but that was good. I like the chorus. It wasn't too hot on Joey's verse, but sorry. But it wasn't bad. So yeah. Next one is Crank It Up. So yeah, let's get into this. Oh damn.
Stop, man, and turn up this tune. Being stomping, walls are shaking, hips quaking. I only eat a booty with a side of bacon. Yo, I came to get down. Fuck the noise complaints and get loud. A womanizer like Captain Kirk. Give me a couple honeys and I'll go to work. Girls, they see me and they go berserk. It's always Joey. Take off your shirt. Now here to mess around, now here to bargain. I'm royalty, so break out the Charmin. I always wipe twice for good measure. One for business and one for pleasure. Crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, yeah, crank it up. Crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, crank up the volume. Bam, when I'm on the mic, go ham. Damn, I'm only here to get slammed. Young Jay-Z, I am. Switch up the game, that's the plan. When I step into the party, make your shorty get naughty. Savvy, not savvy. I know you want me. Girls like flies, I can't get them off me. Yeah, I look goofy, straight up out a movie. I can't eat lactose, it goes right through me. Like this beat, yeah, I made it. Flow so raw, Gordon Ramsay would hate it. Go back to life from that door. Get your ass back on the dance floor. The neighbor's mad, yo, disregard it. Get the body, just get it started. Crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, yeah, crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, crank up the volume.
Watch the kicks, Jordan 3s, flow like water. Bruce Lee, half yellow, half white, banana split. Spin the record.
Oh shit.
Dropping riddles like a bag of Skittles. Spilling the rainbow, lower than your chain go. Cut the carpet with my Reeboks. Break dance down to my socks. Crank up the volume and let it bump. Move and shake your body, jiggle your rump. I don't make the rules, I enforce it. Crank that, smack that ass and toss it. Beyblade, let it rip. I'm the chip and you're the dip. Grab your girly by the hips and we can
Crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, yeah, crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, crank up the volume. All the ladies, put your hands in the air, say crank it up, crank it up. All the fellas, put your hands in the air, say crank it up,
crank it up.
now everybody, put your hands in the air, say crank it up.
Crank it up.
Give a fuck who you are, I want you to motherfucking crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, yeah, crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, crank up the volume, crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, yeah, crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, crank it up, crank up the volume.
I don't know. I just feel like their verses, it has the good funny bars, but it is missing. It just feels kind of unpolished in a way. But it's not bad. You know what I mean? I'll never say it's bad. Anyway, next song, I'm Fresh, halfway through.
Party people in the house, if y'all want to learn a thing or two about being fresh, well, look no further.
Hey, this one's good.
Let's kick it way back to the Superfly ride. Never running late, yes, I'm always on time. Yo, it's a war when the mic goes live, and only the freshest survive. I bring the grooves that jungle you, make your body boom. Turn the party out like a boom or fool. Ooh, I'm known to adorn. I've been getting jiggy ever since I was born. Yes, I check that like Ralph or Rex that. Throwing the roar like I'm off the Xbox, I guess that I'm where it's at. I like my pancakes large and my booty fat. Pump it up, turn the stereo loud. This the deep down, the underground sound. Young JV and Brae with the message. Listen up, you're the survivor of the freshest. I'm fresh. I'm fresh. I'm fresh.
Hold on. 1, 2, 1, 2, check the mic, you better listen. It's JV and Brae and we is on a mission. Pardon me, I haven't done this in a minute. I'm back with Jiggy, let me get back in it. I'm known parties all night. All I need is a beat and a mic. I always keep it funny with the money. I like my chicken with extra honey. Straight out the booth, then I don't stop rocking ya. Sweet tooth like my name's Count Chocula. I got a cough, I'm sick like Doc Ock. Let's rock. Keep it fresh, tic tac, don't come with the riff raff. Be careful, step back, I spit back.
Hey, Brae, you're the best.
I'm fresh. I'm fresh. I'm fresh.
I'm fresh.
Mr. Clean, if you'd be so kind. Freshen up off my mind.
Yeah. Yeah, this is probably gonna be my favorite one of the whole extended play. I do like it. I like this one a lot.
Let me get this off my chest. Being deaf is what I know best, cause I'm fresh.
Fresh like the diabolical. Chillin' with the lyrical flow that's symbolical. You got what I need. R.I.P. to the Biz Marquee. Hey!
And when the beat comes back, let me hear you say, I'm fresh. I'm fresh. I'm fresh.
Y'all, can we kick that one more time? Let's go.
I'm fresh.
I'm fresh. I like what?
You do it like what? Cause you do it like huh? Cause you do it like who? I'm a punk, but I don't really show that. Cause you suckers don't know that I got a flow that negates my poker face. Yes, I can be the joker and I can be the ace. I make the party people dance to the groove. I make your shoelaces wanna get loose. Buzzing honeys like Winnie the Pooh. Call me Marvin cause I get you in the mood. Y'all get up, get down to the sound. I rock the mic and the mic rocks around me. Y'all wanna bees, wanna see? Y'all wanna get jiggy with the young JV? I'm like Da Vinci and the Mona Lisa. Style so fine that you want the pizza. Go on, yap in your mouth. Well, please excuse me while I bug on out. Cause you do it like what? My own way. Cause you do it like huh? My own way. Cause you do it like who? My own way. Yes, I keep it fresh going every day. Cause you do it like what? My own way. Cause you do it like huh? My own way. Cause you do it like my own way. Ain't nobody else gotta say.
Backtrack on this track, the bass got backbone. Automatic flow, no metronome. I walk different, I talk different. I move and shake bodies and rooms different. Wasn't raised in the streets, raised in a cul-de-sac. Learned to ride my bike in that
Eating Mike and Ike's and that.
OG shack from way back. Chilling with my backwoods hat. I come with the noise, rolling deep with my voice. Hand me the mic, I'll destroy. I'm a junkie for the rhythm, the boom bap stuff. My boy Jiggy make you shake your junk in your trunk. My mind is a universe, a colorful spectrum. Be my clarity for a moment and then some. B-R-A-E, pumping out jams with my boy JV.
Cause you do it like what? My own way. Cause you do it like huh? My own way. Cause you do it like
Ah.
who? My own way.
My nose is
Yes, I
blocked,
keep
bro.
it fresh going every day. Cause you do it like what? My own way. Cause you do it like
I'm not a big fan of this one. I think it's Double Jump. This is the one they performed on the Ellen show, so I think I've heard this one.
Welcome, y'all. It's
No, I have heard this one. I have heard
B-R-A-E.
this
Now double jump with me and JV.
Hey.
Jump, 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 jump.
hello. My name is Joe. I made a song. Here's how it goes. This about to blow. When I hit the double jump like Super Mario. Pop out the whip, do a flip, keep it sick. I got the mic in my mouth, gonna whip. Big of all the ways that I'm much better. I keep it hot like a turtleneck sweater.
Double jump, Nike Airs with a pump. I don't work K-Swiss, I ain't a chump. Follow my rhythm, follow my flow. Dance to this, drop your hips, get low.
Get with the program, fly past it like Rogan. I'm known to heat it up with my romance. Step to me when you can. Back in third grade, scaled the monkey bars with no hands.
Old school duo with a fresh new sound. Got the decks, spread the edge and spin them around. Make your body crump, do a double bump. Bouncing all around, make you wanna double jump. Jump, 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 jump.
And bring your feet up,
And bring your feet up,
and bring your feet up.
and bring your feet up.
I said bounce with me, run it up. I said bounce with me, run it up. I said bounce with me, run it up. I said double jump. Oh my God, I came to drop bombs. Represent man, shout out my mom. Look at me go, yo, drop your ego. I'm while I'm at it, I'm a clown like Nemo.
Coming in hard and I better go harder. Clap for me, beat my applauders. I'm the melody marauder, the tracks I slaughter. Superior taste and beat, shout out my father.
I'm Swifty, the girls can't resist me. B-boy Brae on the mic to assist me. Did you miss me? Hold up, cause now I'ma flip it and reverse it like Missy.
I'm tall, handsome, clear complexion. Are you feeling this connection? Baby, if you see me and strike up a chat, double jump, all that. Jump, 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 jump.
And bring your feet up,
And bring your feet up,
and bring your feet up.
and bring your feet up.
I said bounce
With me, run it up. I said bounce with me, run it up. I said bounce with me, run it up. I said double jump. Jump, jump, jump.
and bring your feet up,
And bring your feet up,
and bring your feet up.
and bring your feet up. Jump, 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 jump.
And bring your feet up,
And bring your feet up,
and bring your feet up.
and bring your feet up.
If you're counting Smash Bros, then Mario can double jump.
Yeah, that was cool, I guess. Alright, last one is Ready Set. Sorry, I haven't been talking much. I'm just dying of illness. So I just want to get a video out.
Back to the streets. Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh! Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh! Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh! Here we go, here we go!
Whoa, ready, set, go. I got the flow to make the girlie say,
Oh!
so don't get your panties in a twist. When the last time y'all heard it like this?
When the last time you heard it like this? JVB, the It Boys, the Misfits. Toss me the keys to the cherry red Benz. Two-seater, only you, no friends.
Now to begin, the wheels are spinning it. Crisscross and I'm gone. I keep it on. Doors open, so baby girl get in. I still rock your body till dawn.
Big body beamer with the 22s floating. Windows down with the whole top open. Hit the switches, let's bounce down the road. To the show, let's go. Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh. Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh. Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh. Here we go, here we go, here we
Keep it moving. Buckle up, cause I'm about to get stupid. Better hold on tight if I boost it. Crystal clear, cause my flow stay lucid.
Keep it loony with the tunes, I fast like Road Runner. Step into my ring, get the Stone Cold Stunner. And that's cold like Canada.
It's picture day, so smile for the camera. Click, boom, I got ya. Now you're in the hot seats like Sriracha. Ooh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do with the super hot fire on you?
I'm half white, half fella, P-I-N-O. Half truck, half car, like an El Camino. Life moves fast, don't you know? Sometimes you just gotta take it slow.
Then I step on the gas. Suckers ain't ever gonna pass me. My Honda Civic always gonna last me. You wanna ride? Son, don't ask me. I'm not an Uber. I stay classy.
Your repertoire is a tragedy. I got a 399 capacity. Your full lock is only half of me. I'm the big Bambino with a capital B.
First place, let me end it on a high note. My motion is fluid, spinal. Well, I'm out, and that's final. Now let me turn this mother over like a vinyl.
Moonwalk on the beat, MJ. Serenade in the sheets, purple rain. Deep voice, Bruce Wayne. Bring the ruckus, Wu-Tang. Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh. Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh. Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh. Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh. Here we go, here we go, here we go, oh. Here we go, here we go.
Okay. You know, they've easily made better. Just keeping it real. So yeah, I was a fan of this. I like it, but I can't really give it a rating bigger than like a 5, I guess, because it's not even an album. Being real. thanks for watching. I guess I don't even know you watched this. Like, didn't even talk through it. So yeah. Um. I feel so sick, bro. I'm probably not gonna upload for the rest of the week. Being real, I just want to lay in bed right now. So yeah, love you guys.